guys, welcome to another paint with me video. For this video I'm painting two Polaroid style watercolor paintings and both of them are going to be pink. For the first one I'm doing a moon in a pink sky. So I'm cutting out a small circle on some paper tape and pasting it where I want my moon to be. Then, wetting the paper first, I start with a wash of pink by mixing some crimson and white. After that, I'm taking some purple or violet and adding that to the painting to give the effect of clouds. And I'm just using the same colors in different proportions and playing with it until I'm happy with it. So while my first painting dries, I'm starting the second one and I'm doing almost the same thing, but I'm using lighter shades of the same colors. So I'm mixing that pink with some more white and the purple with white as well, so I get more lighter shades of it and kind of pastel pink and purple. So I'm repeating the same steps and I'm building up the colors by starting from the lightest wash first and adding darker shades later on. Now I'm going back to my first painting and I'm just adding some white clouds. Now for my second painting, I decided to paint a dandelion in the foreground. This took me a really long time to do, even if it's so small. So here's a quick time lapse. Back to my first painting, I'm just peeling off the tape, adding a layer of white paint, and I'm just adding little specks of black and letting the watercolor do its own thing because it just spreads by itself. And I'm just taking a clean brush with a little bit of water in it and playing with the black specks so that it kind of looks like the moon. and I just do this until I'm satisfied with what it looks like. Then I'm adding another layer of white to my clouds because, as you can see, the previous layers have pretty much blended in with the background and look kind of transparent, so I'm adding one more layer. Then I'm just using a silver glitter pen and a white gel pen to add stars to the sky randomly. And I think we're done, so it's time to remove the tape. And I specifically did a Polaroid style because I wanted to fill up my wall with Polaroid paintings, so I will probably be doing more of these in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you like these kind of videos. So now I'm just adding a little quote at the bottom of each of these paintings. So for the first one, I decided to write a "Fly me to the moon," and I'm just gonna go over it again to darken my downstrokes because I like how that looks. And then for the second one, I just wrote "Make a wish," and I do the same thing that I did before, that is darkening the downstrokes. And I think that completes my two paintings. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and this is how it turned out. I think it looked really pretty in the sunlight. And that completes the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and help me reach my month's goal of reaching 100 subscribers. Bye. See you in the next one.